What'd you say?
Fuck you, Sherrod. Keep that big nasty motherfucker around y'all ass. That motherfucker make you look bad.
Come on, man. Don't be talking about my man Big A Cigarillos.
Y'all should talk about him.
If you see how he look in the back, you'll tell him.
Why would you look at his back for?
Cause it's nasty.
It's already hard looking at his front.
Damn, he fucked up both ways. And then y'all niggas wanna hang for keep yourself looking good. Y'all just keep one ugly person around you to make you look good.
What ugly friend? What they call that? A dolph. What they call that? A dolph. The designated ugly friend.
I'm good from that one. I don't need to hang around the back to look good. You know what I'm saying?
Well, keep his ass outside. Don't bring his ass up in here. Because I cannot afford to keep buying no furniture around here with his ass.
Good.